And now people are out here questioning Utatumseleku's pockets. People are like, is he really as moneyed as we think? Is he a man that we think he is financially, or are we just getting ahead of ourselves? This comes after Umakele told the world that the medical aid has been cancelled because nobody got sick. So people are just out here saying a lot of things, asking who does that. You go to Instagram, people are asking who does that. You go to Facebook, people are asking, oh my god, that's the worst decision a man with 4 wives and 20 kids can make in their lifetime. You don't do that because you are Mseleku. Hello, you have the largest family ever. You need that medical aid, whether people get sick or not. You need it in the family. It's for your kids. It's for unless, guys, unless. And someone said this on the comments on Facebook, I think. Someone said unless, and I'm also saying that I agree. The man has excluded himself out of the medical aid because the family needs it. I don't think people don't get sick in that family. Ma Yeni did an operation not so long ago, so I'm just clarifying for everyone. I think, I'm not sure, but in his defense, I think there is medical aid for other family members, but not for him. He's the one who excluded himself, maybe because the price was getting more exorbitant if he was included. So let's just speak on his behalf for a change and say maybe just maybe it's only him that's not included in the medical aid, because it's impossible for a large family like that, of that stature, to not have medical aid. I'm not saying not having a medical aid as an ordinary person is wrong. Some people don't afford it. It's okay. If you don't afford it, it's okay, but you should be able to afford it. You cannot afford 4 wives and not afford medical aid. Wrong. Cut. You cannot do that. So I'm just hoping, in his defense, like I said, he's the only one who's not using the medical aid, but the rest of the family are the, unless every wife takes medical aid for them and their family, for them and their family, for them and their family, and then he's excluded. Because he's got people talking right now like, is this man really as rich as everybody makes him out to be? And people are also asking, remember the time he spoke about how Ma Kumalo assists him? A man like him shouldn't need assistance from one wife. You understand? People are actually talking about that. And it makes sense. It makes sense, guys. It makes sense to question his affordability as far as the whole family is concerned. We don't know. We're not in his pockets. Probably he does, because Bindo also works and he's okay. He's well off as well. Hey, Kuningi. Do let me know what you think in the comment section. And of course, guys, subscribe to my channel and like my videos. I'll see you on another one.